Iguazu Falls, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on the planet, is an unforgettable destination that captivates visitors with its sheer power, size, and beauty. Situated on the border between Argentina and Brazil, this massive waterfall system stretches over 2.7 kilometers wide, with more than 270 individual falls that cascade down towering cliffs into the Iguazu River below. Iguazu Falls is not just a geographical marvel, but a sensory experience where the thunderous roar of falling water, the misty spray, and the lush surrounding rainforest combine to create a spectacle of nature like no other. The Iguazu Falls, often described as the Niagara of South America, surpass their North American counterpart in both scale and dramatic effect. While Niagara Falls may have greater volume in terms of water flow, Iguazu's sprawling arrangement and multi-tiered cascades make it one of the most visually stunning waterfalls in the world. The indigenous Guarani people named the falls Iguazu, meaning big water, an understatement considering the overwhelming grandeur of this natural wonder. The Iguazu Falls are located on the Iguazu River, which flows from the Brazilian highlands toward the Parana River. The falls sit at the confluence of Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay, but the majority of the waterfall system, about 80%, lies within Argentina. The falls themselves are part of two national parks, Iguazu National Park in Argentina and Iguazu National Park in Brazil. Both parks are UNESCO World Heritage Sites and are home to a diverse range of wildlife and ecosystems. The falls are divided into two main sections, the Upper Falls and the Lower Falls. The most famous of these is the Garganta del Diablo, or Devil's Throat, a massive U-shaped chasm where a series of falls plunge 82 meters into the abyss below. The force of the water at the Devil's Throat creates a cloud of mist so dense that it can be seen from miles away. Standing at the edge of this enormous drop is an experience that elicits both wonder and a sense of respect for the raw power of nature. The Iguazu River, after feeding into the falls, continues its journey toward the Parana River, marking the border between Argentina and Brazil. This geographic crossroads, coupled with the stunning natural beauty of the falls, has made Iguazu Falls one of the most visited tourist attractions in South America, drawing millions of people each year from across the globe. What sets Iguazu Falls apart from other waterfalls is not just its size, but its intricate design. The waterfall system is composed of more than 270 individual cascades, which vary in height and width. Some falls are narrow and tall, dropping straight down the cliffs in thin ribbons of water, while others are wide and thunderous, pouring over the edge in powerful torrents. Together, these falls create a mesmerizing mosaic of water, each offering a unique perspective and experience. The volume of water flowing over Iguazu Falls fluctuates throughout the year, depending on the rainy and dry seasons. During the rainy season, from November to March, the water flow can reach up to 12,750 cubic meters per second, creating a deafening roar and filling the air with mist. In contrast, the dry season from June to September brings lower water levels, revealing more of the rocky cliffs and allowing visitors to see the intricate rock formations behind the falling water. Both seasons offer their own beauty and charm, making Iguazu a destination worth visiting year-round. One of the most captivating aspects of Iguazu Falls is its ability to create an immersive sensory experience. The sound of water crashing against the rocks below is almost deafening at times, while the cool mist that rises from the falls provides a refreshing respite from the tropical heat. Rainbows frequently form in the mist, adding an ethereal beauty to the already stunning scene. Standing at one of the many viewing platforms, visitors feel enveloped by the natural spectacle, an unforgettable moment where the boundary between the observer and nature seems to dissolve. While all of Iguazu's cascades are breathtaking, none are as iconic or as dramatic as the Garganta del Diablo, or Devil's Throat. This colossal waterfall is the centerpiece of the entire Iguazu Falls system, with a 150-meter wide and 700-meter long drop into the river below. The sheer volume of water crashing into the Devil's Throat creates a constant spray that rises into the air like a plume of smoke. Visiting the Devil's Throat is an intense experience. From the Argentinian side, a network of walkways and metal bridges leads visitors right to the edge of the waterfall, where they can stand and look down into the roaring chasm. The view is both exhilarating and humbling, as visitors come face to face with one of nature's most powerful forces. The Brazilian side of the falls offers a panoramic view of the Devil's Throat, providing a more distant but equally dramatic perspective. From here, visitors can see the entire U-shaped cliff and witness the interplay between the rushing water, the rocky outcrops, and the surrounding greenery. Both vantage points, up close and afar, are unforgettable and give a comprehensive sense of the fall's majesty. Iguazu Falls is not only a natural wonder in itself, but is also located in one of the most ecologically diverse regions in the world. The falls are surrounded by dense tropical rainforest, home to a wide variety of plant and animal species. Both the Argentinian and Brazilian sides of the falls are protected by national parks, which aim to preserve this precious ecosystem. The lush vegetation surrounding Iguazu includes towering trees, thick vines, and a myriad of flowering plants. The subtropical rainforest provides a haven for an incredible diversity of wildlife, including over 2,000 species of plants, 400 species of birds, and a rich assortment of mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Among the most notable animals in the region are coatis, raccoon-like creatures that are commonly seen along the walkways and trails. These curious and social animals have become accustomed to visitors, but it's important to remember they are wild and should not be fed. Other animals include toucan birds with their brightly colored beaks, howler monkeys whose calls echo through the forest, and the elusive jaguar, the apex predator of the region. The bird life in the area is particularly diverse, with species like parrots, hummingbirds, and eagles frequently spotted around the falls. One of the most stunning birds in the region is the great dusky swift, which nests behind the waterfalls. These swifts can be seen flying through the powerful spray and diving into the falls to reach their hidden nests, a testament to their incredible adaptability and resilience. The rainforests surrounding Iguazu are also home to several endangered species, including the giant otter, the giant anteater, and various species of wildcats. Conservation efforts within both Iguazu and Iguacu national parks are crucial for protecting this rich biodiversity from threats like deforestation and habitat loss. One of the unique aspects of visiting Iguazu Falls is that it offers two distinct but complementary experiences, depending on whether you explore the falls from the Argentine or Brazilian side. Each side offers different perspectives and activities, and for the full experience, many visitors choose to see both. On the Argentine side, Iguazu National Park boasts an extensive network of trails and walkways that allow visitors to get up close and personal with the falls. The upper circuit provides elevated views of the falls from above, while the lower circuit takes visitors closer to the base of the cascades, where they can feel the spray and sense the immense power of the water. The highlight of the Argentine side is the Garganta del Diablo walkway, which leads right to the edge of the Devil's Throat. The Brazilian side offers a more panoramic view of the entire waterfall system, giving visitors the opportunity to take in the full scope and grandeur of Iguazu Falls. From here, visitors can follow a series of trails that lead to various observation platforms, including one that juts out into the mist of the Devil's Throat. The Brazilian side is also home to the Iguacu Bird Park, where visitors can observe native bird species up close in a lush, natural environment. For those seeking an even more immersive experience, boat tours are available on both sides, offering the chance to get right up to the base of the falls. These tours, known as the Gran Aventura on the Argentine side and the Macuco Safari on the Brazilian side, take visitors through the river rapids before heading directly beneath the falls, where they are soaked by the spray. It's an adrenaline-pumping adventure that allows visitors to feel the full force of the falls. Iguazu Falls is more than just a scenic destination. It's a place that touches the soul. The combination of sheer natural beauty, raw power, and diverse ecosystems makes it one of the most unforgettable places on Earth. Whether you stand at the brink of the Devil's Throat, listen to the chorus of wildlife in the surrounding jungle, or watch rainbows dance in the mist, Iguazu Falls is an experience that leaves a lasting impression. For centuries, Iguazu has been a source of wonder for all who visit. From the indigenous Guarani people who gave it its name to the countless travelers who make the pilgrimage each year, Iguazu Falls continues to inspire awe and respect for the beauty and power of our natural world. As we marvel at the breathtaking beauty and immense power of Iguazu Falls, it's crucial to remember our role in preserving this natural wonder. The delicate ecosystems that thrive around the falls are increasingly threatened by human activity and climate change. Each one of us can make a difference by supporting conservation efforts, practicing sustainable tourism, and spreading awareness about the importance of protecting our planet's natural treasures. Together, we can ensure that future generations will also have the chance to experience the awe-inspiring magic of Iguazú Falls. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and to subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. Thank you for watching.